Today in this video we will discuss how you can start investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some steps to help you get started with investing in the U.S. stock market. Educate yourself. Before investing in the stock market, it's essential to have a basic understanding of how it works. You can start by reading books, articles, and blogs about investing. There are also online courses and tutorials available that can help you learn about investing in the stock market. Choose a broker. You will need to choose a brokerage firm to buy and sell stocks. There are many brokerage firms available in the U.S., including Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Each brokerage firm has its own fees, services, and minimum account balance requirements, so it's essential to research your options before choosing one. Open an account. Once you have chosen a brokerage firm, you will need to open an account. This will involve filling out an application and providing some personal and financial information. Fund your account. Once your account is open, you will need to fund it before you can start buying stocks. You can transfer funds from your bank account or deposit a check. Determine your investment goals. Are you investing for the short term or long term? Do you have a specific financial goal in mind, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house? Your goals will help determine the type of investments you make and your overall strategy. Choose stocks. You can start investing in individual stocks by doing research and selecting companies that you believe will perform well. You can also invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, which are collections of stocks that provide diversification and lower risk. Monitor your portfolio. Once you have started investing, it's essential to monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure that your investments are performing as expected. You can use the tools provided by your brokerage firm to track your investments and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed. The stock market is constantly changing, so it's essential to stay informed about the latest news and trends. You can read financial news and analysis, watch investment shows on TV or online, and join investment forums or social media groups to stay up to date. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, and you can lose money. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Today's video ends here. Everyone stay well, stay healthy, and stay with Easy Solutions.